Welcome to INHOW. In this video, we're going to explore how to learn a new language quickly. Whether you're preparing for travel, work, or personal growth, these tips will help you get fluent faster. Let's dive in. Set clear, achievable goals. The first step in learning a language quickly is setting clear, achievable goals. Decide why you want to learn the language and what you want to accomplish. Are you looking to have basic conversations, or do you want to reach full fluency? Break your learning process into smaller, manageable milestones. For example, aim to learn 10 new words a day or master basic greetings within a week. When you have a specific goal, it's easier to stay motivated and track progress. Immerse yourself in the language. Immersing yourself in the language is one of the most effective ways to learn quickly. Even if you're not living in a country where the language is spoken, there are many ways to surround yourself with it. Watch TV shows, movies, and YouTube videos in your target language. Listening to podcasts and music in the language can also help improve your understanding. The goal is to expose yourself to the language as much as possible. The more you hear it, the more familiar it will become. Practice speaking daily. Speaking the language every day is crucial for rapid learning. It's easy to get caught up in studying vocabulary and grammar, but practice is key. Start by having simple conversations, even if it's just talking to yourself in the mirror. Use language exchange apps to connect with native speakers. Apps like HelloTalk or Tandem allow you to practice speaking with real people in real time. Don't worry about making mistakes. They are a natural part of the learning process. Use spaced repetition for vocabulary. One of the best methods for memorizing new words is spaced repetition. This technique helps you retain information by reviewing it at increasing intervals. Apps like Anki or Memrise are great tools for this method. Create flashcards with new words and phrases and review them regularly. By spacing out your practice, you'll reinforce what you've learned without overwhelming yourself. Focus on learning the most common and useful words first. Focus on practical phrases first. Instead of trying to master every grammar rule, focus on learning practical phrases. Start with greetings, introductions, and everyday questions. Learning phrases you can use in real-life situations will help you communicate more quickly. You can gradually expand your vocabulary and grammar knowledge as you get more comfortable. By focusing on speaking first, you'll build confidence and make faster progress. Make language learning fun. To stay motivated, make learning fun by incorporating activities you enjoy. If you like games, try language learning apps like Duolingo or Babbel. These apps turn language learning into a game, keeping you engaged and motivated. You can also follow social media accounts or YouTubers who post content in your target language. Joining online communities can provide extra support and accountability. When learning is enjoyable, you're more likely to stick with it. Surround yourself with native speakers. Surrounding yourself with native speakers, even virtually, can significantly speed up your learning. Look for language exchange partners online or join local language meetups if available. Talking with native speakers helps you understand slang, tone, and everyday expressions. It also helps you practice listening to the language as it's naturally spoken. Regular conversations will help you think in the language instead of translating in your head. Consistency is key. Consistency is more important than how much time you spend learning each day. Even 15 to 30 minutes of daily practice will lead to better results than cramming a lot of study time into one day. Set a daily routine for your language learning. Whether it's practicing in the morning or before bed, make language learning a habit, just like brushing your teeth or exercising. Over time, these small, consistent efforts will compound, and you'll see rapid improvement. And there you have it, our tips on how to learn a new language quickly. Remember, set clear goals, practice daily, and make learning enjoyable. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to INHOW for more tips on personal growth and self-improvement. Let us know in the comments which language you're learning and how you're progressing. Thanks for watching, and happy learning.